Hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video, we are going to learn about isAlive method. So let's start. So isAlive method is an inbuilt method of the thread class. It is used to check whether a thread is currently running or not. How we can use the isAlive method? So this is the syntax. So we have to just write the thread object dot isAlive. IsAlive method returns true if the thread has been started and has not yet died. Otherwise, it returns false. So, if the thread is running, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. IsAlive method is used to check whether the thread is running or not. So if it is running, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. When you are creating a thread using thread class and start it using start method, the thread begins executing its run method. So when you create a thread using the thread class, so to start the thread we use start method. After we use the start method, then the thread starts the executing of the run method. While the thread is running, isAlive returns true. After the thread completes execution, it returns false. While the thread performing its task, isAlive method will return true. After the thread completes its task, then it will return false. Suppose we use isAlive method before the start method, then it will return false because the thread has not been started yet. After we use the start method, then the thread will start its execution. If we check isAlive thread before the start method, then it will return false. After the start method, if we check the isAlive, then it will return true. So we will see the practical, the important points related to the isAlive method. So isAlive method helps in checking the state of the thread during execution. So it is used to check the state of the thread, whether the thread is running or it is not. Then isAlive method is used for debugging or monitoring the thread. Then isAlive method should not be used for controlling thread flow. IsAlive is not being used for controlling the thread flow. To control the thread flow, we have join method. Okay, so we can use join method for synchronization. So isAlive method is used for checking whether the thread is alive. Okay, so it is running or not. If it is running, then it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Start with our practical session. So I will create a class here. New, then class, and I will give the name as demo, and the package name can be com.isAlive. So I have created a class. Now I will extend the thread class. So extends thread. Now we will create a method. So public, then void run, and here we will simply print thread is running. So we have simply printed that thread is running. Now here we will create a main method, and in this we will simply create a thread. So demo t1 is equal to new demo. So I've created a thread, and now we will check the isAlive method. We have not started the thread right now because we have not used the start method. Now we will check the condition of the thread. Okay, so we'll just print t1 dot is alive. Okay, so let's run the code. Now as you can see, we have get the output as false because we have not used the start method. Now here we can use t1 dot start. Okay, now I have started the thread, so now the thread is alive. Now let's run the code again and see what will be the output. As you can see, the output that I have get is true, and the run method has been called. Okay, so if we use the isAlive method before the start method, then it will return false, and if we use the isAlive method after the start method, then it will return true. So this is all about the isAlive method. So thank you for watching this video.